Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 E350. Ford has maintained its level of success for E-Series by continually monitoring its customers' needs and maintaining a high level of quality, power and strength, spacious comfort, abundant and versatile cargo capacity. These have made E350 America's choice for personal and commercial vans over the past 3 decades and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.